The goal of this protocol is to culture gut microbiota in vitro. We allow for the study of microbial dynamics without having to consider the contribution of mammalian components. Using this multi-stage in vitro system, the gut microbial community developed in the lumen and on the mucosa of the region of the colon can be studied simultaneously.
A visual demonstration of this method is helpful due to the complexity of this in vitro system.
Begin by filling the ascending colon with 500 milliliters of defined medium, the transverse colon with 800 milliliters of defined medium, and the descending colon with 600 milliliters of defined medium. Add mucin agar carriers to the colon regions in an amount proportional to the volume of the reactor, and use the sample tube and syringe to remove any excess defined medium from each reactor. Use the pH probes to adjust the pH in each reactor, and turn on the nitrogen flush for 20 minutes. Next, thaw the fecal homogenate according to the manufacturer's guidelines, before loading a 60 milliliter syringe with the fecal homogenate sample. Then inoculate each colon reactor through the sample port with an amount of homogenate equal to 5% of each reactor volume for overnight culture with pH control. The next morning, clean the lure lock on the sample port of each bioreactor with alcohol. When the ports have dried, connect a 30 milliliter syringe cleared of all air to one of the sample ports. Withdraw the plunger 3 to 5 times to ensure a thorough mixing of the vessel components.